Hey guys, so Rika here, your GoHighLevel expert. That doesn't sound right. Guru. I mean, I've had great experience before, good experience, but I'm not too comfortable saying that myself. Anyway, so this is my first video and I don't know how to address myself yet. So let's just proceed to the tutorial. So I just wanted to show you, you can have your GoHighLevel form like this, generate a preview something like this, so in just like what, a few clicks, less than 5 minutes. So what you're gonna do is prepare your form on GoHighLevel. If you're familiar with that, if you have your own CRM, that's great, but make sure it has the webhook capability where all of the form submission can be sent to a certain webhook URL. So I use GoHighLevel. I have a CRM that you can use. If you don't have one, just let me know. And then another thing that we have to set up or we have is this workflow. Now I'm gonna try my best to make it not so technical. So I'm a developer and I'm having a hard time like using other words on a non-technical side, if that makes sense. So this is why this first version that I built kind of used this custom webhook, but I'm doing something to make sure it will be much more easier for you guys. But what I can do is I can share you the snapshot or this workflow link, and then you can implement it to your own workflow, right? So of course we always have our trigger. This is just how we usually do it on GoHighLevel or on our different CRMs. And then we have the custom webhook. This is important. We have the webhook URL. Another thing that's important is our API key. So just like high level, we need to have a token that will authenticate all of the requests, so we don't get spam requests, right? So we're gonna need that. And last would be the raw body. So this is from your form. So this is called JSON format, and these are just the data that is currently or that was on your form, but in a backend. Right, so it doesn't look like the fields that we have on this page. So like in the back end, it has this. Again, I can help you with setting up. I can share you this workflow URL. I can share it with you. I can make a snapshot for you so that you can just plug it and play in your account, or I can help you set up. I already mentioned that, right? Anyways, okay, so we've got an image URL. We need that because that's the image that we're going to be processing. We need the email so that we can send out the email to you, or to the lead, and notify them when the image is ready, or just have a copy like to their email. So this can be turned on or off if you think it's deemed necessary. And we have the data here. So we've got the area to renovate. Of course, we've got the colorway. Okay, these are just some questionnaires, so you can add as many as you can, you can remove as many as you can, but make sure that it has details about what these people wanted their image to renovate to look like, if that makes sense. So once that's good, just save it in action, make sure that workflow is published, and then click save. So that's it. The form will be ready to use. So we're gonna do a quick demo. I'm gonna fast forward because I mentioned that it's going to be like real quick in less than 5 minutes. We did that in less than 5 minutes. So okay, so this was the one that I did previously because this is like my second take for this video, but we're gonna do it again. So preview the form. I'm gonna submit it. Like let's do kitchen next. Change the design. I'm gonna do coastal tropical. I want some Pantone. That works, I guess. Dual tone, of course. 3 months. This question, I just have it here to help with the cost lead scoring, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, sorry, I had to pause because you're gonna see how mess my downloads folder are. So this image is just from Google. Let's just submit it. Okay. Let me just do Rika. I'm currently in the Philippines, so I have this. Do the email. This is my spam email, so send me messages if you want. Okay, so we're just gonna wait. So we're gonna get redirected to a preview page like this. So this page can totally be white labeled, so you can change your own logo, you can change your own domain. I can help you with that. I will definitely help you with that. And all we have to do is just wait. Let's see. Okay. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, so while waiting, let me just show you that you will get access to this dashboard where you have your API key, your webhook, URL that you can put into. So this is from GoHighLevel. It allows you to send an email notification to the lead with the image that they just had or that they just processed. And you'll also have these lists of requests for the past month or whichever time frame you want to see. You can also export it. You can see the original image and the processed image, and you can also see like the previous request page directly over here. So this is like the previous. Oh, I think this is the one that I did. Is it? No. Anyways, okay, I have the. Okay, we're still generating the one. So again, I mentioned that I already did it multiple times before, and this is how it looked like. So that was like my previous this is my previous request for the demo. You can see the date here actually. This could probably be it. Oh, okay, perfect. Now I have this. Works, right? So it really depends on your questionnaire. Everything goes down with the questionnaires on your survey. But the point is, it shows these leads a preview, and on top of that, it will help you generate high intent leads for your business. I hope that helps.